Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this quick video I will show you how to add and resize a texture to a 3D object using Blender 3D. To start, I will create a new scene and remove all the default objects from the scene, leaving only the cube that I will use as a demonstration. I'll use the left mouse button and hold down the Shift key to select the objects I don't need. After that, I'll release the Delete key to delete the unnecessary objects. After that, we'll select the remaining cube using the right mouse button. We'll need to add a material to this cube. Here on the right, we'll go to these options and search for materials below. By default, the cube already comes with a material in the most recent versions of Blender. If you don't have a material, just click on the Add New Material button. Okay, now let's go to the next step. Let's go to the top right and go to that little tab right here that says Shading. You can see that the screen has changed and we have other options, right? Great, if your screen looks like this, let's go down here to this Materials tab. To explain quickly, this tab is where we will control all the material nodes or objects, think of them as lines of programming, to define what this material will do. Okay, now to add a texture to our cube, let's go up here and add the texture. Click Add, then Texture. In the Textures section, find Image Textures. Finally, click and position this command here on the left side. Now let's zoom in, and you'll notice we have two yellow dots, right? Let's select and connect the two yellow dots. Color goes to base color. Now our cube is completely dark, which means it worked. Just go here and find the image you want to add to this cube. You can browse from the folder or add a new one. For this tutorial, I'll use this image I found of a Minecraft cube and add it to my cube. Oops, we can see it's completely wrong. It's not how I wanted it to be. This is completely normal. If you place the texture on a plane or another object, it might have turned out okay. However, since I'm using a cube here, it doesn't understand how the texture should behave. Let's now learn how to fix this problem. Now that we have the texture, let's go to a new section right here at the top. Let's look for UV editing. Perfect, this is where the magic happens. As you can see, our image has a cross. Okay, let's go up here to the top where our image is located, in the top left corner, and click on the box that says UV Select Mode. As you can see, our crosshair has changed a bit. Now we need to look at the material to see how we're going to position all of this. Let's go to this other 3D viewport. Here, we'll position the cursor and, using the mouse arrow, drag it to the left all the way to the end. And right here at the end, we'll select the second sphere called Shading. Now we can see our texture. Let's select any face or part of our cube to edit. Now that I have selected a face of our cube, you can see that the cross on the other side has disappeared, and this is where our problem lies. This cube that has appeared here is now the area where the texture will fit into our cube. It is this area that we have to adjust so that it looks the way we want. Let's select this cube here and position it exactly where we want the texture area to be captured. To make movement easier, use these arrows to move along the required axis. Okay, here I'll move this cube to where I want it to be captured. In my case, I'll place it next to the grass block texture. Perfect, but it's still a little out of place, right? Let's change a few things. Use the S key to scale the texture until it covers the entire capture area. After that, I'll use the R key to rotate this piece so it's positioned correctly. To make things easier, use R and the -90 keys to rotate it correctly. Perfect! Now it's exactly how we wanted it. Just do this for each face of our cube and it will look exactly how we want it. We have a textured Minecraft cube just the way we wanted it. Now just have fun and let your creativity flow. If you want to return to the default window, just go up here and click Layout. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, I hope it helped. Subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and share and follow for more tips. Thanks to everyone who followed. SpaceFox hopes to see you next time.